Hi guys! I hope all of you did the first part of this mandala without any problems. Let's start part 2. Grab your yarn, hook and join me. Round 12. Make a slip stitch to the first chain. You start this row with a chain 4. Count as 1 double crochet and chain 1. Make double crochet in the last stitch of the chain free space. Double crochet in next 8 stitches. Double crochet in the first stitch of the chain free space. Chain 1. Repeat this till the end. Join with a slip stitch to the third chain or the initial stitch. Round 13. Make a slip stitch to chain 1 space. Chain 8. Counts as 1 double crochet and chain 5. Make double crochet in chain 1 space. Double crochet in next 10 stitches. Double crochet in chain 1 space. Chain 5. Repeat this till the end. Join with a slip stitch to the third chain of the initial stitch. Round 14. Make slip stitch to the third stitch of chain 5. Start this row with the chain 6. Counts as 1 double crochet and chain 3. From this row, our petals are decreasing in size. We will make double crochet in the second stitch of the previous row. Then we make another double crochet in next 9 stitches, total of 10 double crochets. Chain 3 and make 1 double crochet in the third stitch of chain 5 space. Chain 3. Repeat this till the end. Join with a slip stitch to the third chain of the initial stitch. Round 15. Chain 7 counts as 1 double crochet and chain 4. We will make double crochet in the second stitch of previous row. Then we make another double crochet in next 7 stitches, total of 8 double crochets. Chain 4 and make 1 double crochet plus chain 1 plus double crochet, which counts as a V-stitch in next stitch. Chain 4. Repeat this till the end. Make another double crochet and chain 1 and then join with a slip stitch to the third chain of the initial stitch. Round 16. Chain 8 counts as 1 double crochet and chain 5. We will make double crochet in the second stitch of previous row. Then we make another double crochet in next 5 stitches. Total of 6 double crochets. Chain 5 and make V-stitch in next chain 1 space. Chain 5. Repeat this till the end. Make another double crochet plus chain 1 and join with a slip stitch to the third chain of the initial stitch. Round 17. Chain 9 counts as 1 double crochet and chain 6. We will make double crochet in the second stitch of the previous row. Then we make another double crochet in next 3 stitches. Total of 4 double crochets. Chain 6 and make V-stitch in next stitch. Repeat twice. Chain 6. Repeat this till the end. Join with a slip stitch to the third chain of the initial stitch. Round 18. Chain 9 counts as 1 double crochet and chain 6. We will make double crochet in the second stitch of the previous row. Then we make another double crochet in next stitch. Chain 6 and make V-stitch in next stitch. Then V-stitch goes between two V-stitches from previous row. Another V-stitch in the last stitch or the V-stitch of row 17. Chain 6. Repeat this till the end. Join with a slip stitch to the third chain of the initial stitch. That will be it for the second part of our mandala. 18 rows done out of 36 total. This is how it looks.